Hey, it's Eric with HoosierCycles. I just got my tires in, ready to put this 99 Viper together. So I've got everything ready to go, staged, and just got to start putting pieces together and see how it turns out. I'm going to try this new chain ring out. I picked it up on Amazon. It's a 39 tooth. It's kind of got like this buzzsaw look to it. And I didn't know if it was painted or anodized because the description didn't say, but it is anodized and it's actually nice quality. We use the original Spider and then the original 175 crank. Just going to put this together and get on the bike. I just want to kind of show how these V brakes, they're actually really nice. They're by Pro Max, and these are the factory ones. But what's really cool about them is they're all metal. They're not plastic. As you can see, this is your adjuster here, then your tension, your spring. But this is all metal. It's a nice quality. You know, you don't see that too much today. Well, you don't see V-brakes at all, hardly at all. But when you do find them, most of the stuff has a really poor quality, and this stuff is usually plastic. But I was impressed with this. Being, you know, I'm not really sure on the exact time frame when Diamondback was sold. I think 99, what I've read online, was the last time they were sold. So I'm just going to tension these out, that pin right there, and then you have the 3 stops here for it. I'd usually try to just take it to the top so I have a nice tension on it. And you do have an adjustment, this screw right here underneath. So I'll take that out. Take it all the way back so there's no tension on the spring or the arm itself. Doesn't have a spring, just got this rod, which tensions inside there. So just run this out. So there's nothing there. Some tricks you can do if you don't have a good adjustment on your V-brakes is just bring this out and bend it yourself. You can bend this tensioner right here. I don't know what it would be called. So I just come to that top detent or the top hole there, slide that in there, and then that gives me the max right now. So if you ever get like a lazy side, just pull that down and just pull that, give it a little spin here. So let's run that back in. Now that's got a lot of tension, so it's a good time to set your brake pad. Make sure the front's hitting first. These pads are in good shape. I don't have to replace them. So just run a little bit. Touch first on the front so you don't get squeal. And tighten her back up. Put these on here so they'll pop out. Just put a little grease on there, on the pivot there, and where this steel goes in the frame here too. When you push that in, now you've got good tension. Same with this side, it has the same adjustments. Some of the V-brakes only have one side that has that adjuster. So I'll just run this back out again. So it's pretty much flush. This one's a little bit stiff. Get some road grime in there. They do have I think some anti-seize or not, but some like Loctite on these. Going to run that out a little bit more. There we go. Again, I'm going to put the max on it. Take the tension off and adjust my pad. I know you can't see it on this side. And these are just real easy to set up, the brakes, the V brakes. I've already got the cable in there. Going with the new cable. Yeah, that's a lot of tension. Might release them back to the middle there. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust these so they're not as tight. Run that back out. Should be able to just pull this up and move it one. Yeah, that's in the middle now. That has like no adjustment on this one side. Might keep this one side. We're going to cheat a little. Bring this down, tighten it, give it a little pull. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to take this one off too. Move it to the middle. Give that one a little pull on this side. That's good tension for now. That's all tight. That's it. It's as easy as it gets. And these are just 5mm. This cable will stretch. It's a new cable. Stretch it out and readjust. Yeah, my tire, the bead's got to be pulled out on this one side so it doesn't hop. Loosen this up again. Take the slack out. Don't over tighten them. That's probably just a little bit too tight. So my front adjuster on my lever there, I just turned it out, the barrel out, so I do have some adjustment. Now this is where these screws come into place. Start tightening them up on one side to pull it over. Just a little bit more on this side. I think that'll do. See, we'll take it down. Keep your cable from fraying. And I usually just tuck them back up in there. That's a V-brake adjustment. Diamondback Viper 99. Got it all done here. I'll tell you, the colors on this really bright, and just a really clean mid-school bike that went together really nicely. We got a little bit of rain right now. The seat is like perfect. Put some duos with those knockoff Comp 3 tires. Not the greatest quality, but they look good. So this is like a 20, I believe a 22 top tube, 20-inch wheel. So the chain ring, I replaced that. What was something a little smaller, easier to pedal. I think the factor was a 44. It's got a 175 arm. Got the alloy pedals embossed with a Diamondback. The seat post is alloy. And it's got the D on it, just like their grips. This is something I talked about at the beginning when I was cleaning it up. Rarely do you see these bars unrusted. And then you can actually make the D out in the clear grips, the Diamondback grips. It's got Promax V-brake on the back. The hubs are actually nice. I think they're like a Joytech. Alloy wheels. Got the little sticker still on them. Bulldog die-comp brake on the front. This is a threadless 1 1/8 fork stem. Just a real clean bike. You know, as the GT stuff and the hutch and stuff we can't afford anymore, even the Schwinn Predator is getting expensive. These are a nice alternative. You know, if you want something nice, kind of a throwback. The mid-school stuff is still out there. Just got to look for it. This one just turned out to be exceptionally clean. And I believe this is 99 is what I read was the year Diamondback was sold off again. And I think that was their demise, you know, as far as quality. This is not a bad bike at all for quality. So thanks for tuning in. This is Eric with Hoosier Cycles. Check out some more videos. Got some more stuff coming up.